Hi all, welcome to our channel Pino's Voyage. Now we are back at home and we came back from Andaman and we carry lot of memories with us, and just to revive them visually also we did some shopping. Let's see what we have shopped from Andaman. Whatever new places we go, it's very important to get something new from there. So whenever we see it by day-to-day life or on your desk workspace or on your showcase, it's just the remembrance of the place you go. We always prefer shopping at the local streets other than going to mall and doing some shoppings. Obviously, there are no malls in Andaman, but there are big shops available. So still, we prefer to shop on the local. So we wanted to support local shops and the vendors also. So entering into the shop itself, we have like this key holder. You can see. So this we got under 40% discount. So MRP is written as 185 and we got it for around 110 rupees. What is the Andaman shopping without some tribal toys, right? So we got them. So this is a tribal male who is carrying the drums. We want to give it for mom 1 and mom 2. This costed us around 90 rupees each. So next is this family tribal toy. You can see the Jarawa male, female, and there is a Jarawa kid behind. Next comes a cute toy. If you remember, this is a toy which we used to play, and there is a game also on the phone. So we try to put this ball inside the last hole. So Vinod has liked this so much and we grabbed it. Next is the fridge magnets which we bought. Each of them costed us around 50 rupees. You can see there's a tortoise and coconut and Andaman fish, dolphins. There are a lot other varieties of fridge magnets were available which were representing the flora and fauna of Andaman. And next comes the most cute toys which I like. Let me show what is it. Here comes these 4 set of toys. Each of them is 75 rupees. These are the 4 different varieties available. I just picked each one of them. The next toy which we have is very important. Andaman is not without this. Any guesses? Let me show it to you. Yes, these are ships. Yeah, it looks a bit like Pirates of Caribbean, not in the black color though. This costed us around 120 rupees. So next is, tada! This is the hat. Yeah, Andaman is all about beaches. So there is no beach without a hat going on. So you can find hats all over the beaches. In every beaches there will be a shop which is selling hats. This costed us around 100 rupees. I think it's reasonable. This is made of jute. I can carry it for other vacations also. Now that we have seen all the wood collection, next we are going to switch into the seashell collections. So this is another cute thing which we picked. This can be used as a light lantern. We can put some cozy lights inside this. So it's going to make an amazing ambient setup for your home. So this costed us around 500 rupees. And to buy this, we went into almost 4 to 5 shops. There were a lot of price difference going on. So we finalized at some shop, it's 500. They agreed to give at 500. The maximum price was, the maximum price which was stated for this was 1200. So we went to some shop and finalized it for 500 rupees. So next is another cute thing which we got. Yeah, this is a cute seashell dream catcher kind. It costed us around 350 rupees. It has beautiful colors of the natural shells. You can see it as purple, pink, white, red, the pale white. So these two are our major shopping from Andaman. And this one is Vinod's favorite, where we want to set up some lantern light and good ambience for our coffee or dinner date. And this one is my favorite. I want to hear this beautiful sounds which is gonna make that when the airflow or wind is coming inside the house. Maybe we want to place it at our customized balcony or wherever the wind flow is good. So next is these two fish pickles which we got from one of our stay Datta's residency. So they have opened an homemade pickle processing unit. So we got this two, the 250 grams each. This one tuna fish pickle costed us around 100 rupees, and this one is the Kokari one. This costed us around 150 rupees. We have opened the tuna fish pickle and we have tasted it. So far it's tasting good and we are liking it. So the name of this pickle is P. Andaman Aroma. Soon they are planning to sell it online through Amazon. Next is something very special which we did not buy from any of the stores, but it's naturally available in the North Andaman. Yeah, that's true. So this is, we just grabbed some mud from the mud volcano which we visited as a part of North Andaman. You can see. I myself use this as a face pack. Before trying this on your face, you can do a patch test on your back of your ears or on your hands or legs, anywhere preferable. The result of this face pack was so good and it suited my skin as well. It gave me a soft, supple, smooth skin. I had heat bubbles over my forehead because of the Andaman weather, and after usage of this, I could see visible difference on my forehead, and it suppressed the heat bubbles as well. I picked up 3 rings. I will display the prices for each of it. This one is a green coral ring. The other one is a beautiful radium multicolor ring. Other one is the plain stainless steel which has a symbol on it. This one is quite my favorite. Earrings which I purchased. This is a pure coral. It has beautiful doodlings on it. It's a seashell one. I picked up this beautiful pair of, it has multiple color on it. Next is a beautiful coral pendant and earring set. Next is another coral beautiful earring set. Beautiful button shell stud. Another beautiful hard shell stud. So these are the shells which has been designed in different shapes and sizes. And the last but cute one, this is a real shell. Tip I want to give all of you, whoever is planning to go to Andaman, if you are searching for some Sagarika Emporium or Khadi craft for government shop, don't be confused. There are a lot of Sagarika Emporiums just with spelling change of H, A and E over there. So how we started shopping is just we straightly walked into the local streets. We found 4 to 5 craft shops at the same area, like the same stretch. So we saw all the discounts boards going on, like 40%, 20%, 30% discounts were going on in the shops. So we went and inquired in each and every shops, and there were like a little price difference over there. So we bought wherever is comfortable for us. Craft shops available. Go into each and every shop, check for the prices. They always have some discounts going on. So when we went for shopping, there are few other shops also at 40% discount. So just to avoid all the mess and confusion, straight away go to the Apritin Bazaar where you can find lot of local seashell emporium shops. So you can find it at reasonable prices. Do let us know in the comment box below which one of our shopping item is your favorite. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to our channel Vinod's Voyage.
1, 2, 3, go.
This is my first video.
Yeah, true.
I'm like little shy at the starting always.
Okay.
Wait, no, wrong. Sentence is wrong. Very bad English. Today we are going to sing. I forgot. Wait, I will say one more time. Dude, I have all it for you to show. No, but oh, again I forgot to what thing.